Kids family, how are you?
How you doing?
Hope mko poa.
Hope mko salama.
Yes, tuko salama.
Yes, you can see we are all smiling and glowing. We are so happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so guys, today we are here at the V.I.P.
Nimeona inaitwa Villa International Palace.
Yes.
Yeah, am I right?
Yeah, you're right. It's called the V.I.P hotel.
Yeah.
As the name suggests, yani, the treatment here is just VIP. Yani, everything is VIP.
So guys, this is an awesome place and we have come here to chillax,
relax
to
our
cool a
minds.
fish.
Yes.
Tufanye nini?
Yani guys, we are here at Kisumu City. Kisumu Dala.
Kisumu
Yes.
City.
Home of fish.
Home of fish.
Yeah.
Home of English.
So guys, as nimewaambia tuko VIP hotel and it's located in Kisumu. And guys, if you want to pass by this hotel, it's along Kisumu Busia Highway. Yeah, so if you happen to kama maybe you want to enjoy yourself and you don't know where to go to, ama umechelewa, like you don't know where to sleep, or you want to grab something,
They offer accommodation.
Yeah, they offer accommodation. They have nice food.
Yeah.
They have nice, everything
Drinks,
is,
everything
it's good.
Yeah.
Or ama kama ni kujienjoy for entertainment purpose, they have a cool swimming pool.
The bands.
They also have a band, which is a cool band. If you listen to it, yani
You enjoy yourself.
So guys, sisi leo tumekuja tukwe waogeleaji. Yeah, we are here for swimming. We relax a bit because the solar here
Si mchezo.
is just on another level.
Unaoga sahi in 5 minutes already.
Hata ni kama mtu ajaoga like umesweat. So guys, tumekuja hapa, we cool ourselves a bit to enjoy kiasi swim. Yeah, it has been long since nime swim.
Very long.
Actually, I don't know if it's like 2 years sijaenda swim, but today leo ni ile
Sitakuwa umesahau.
ile siku. Hata sijui kama nimesahau kuswim mama.
But anyway, we shall see if amesahau ama bado ako pro. But
Yeah.
then alinifunza to swim. So, she's my instructor.
For the day.
You have it credit. Yeah. So guys, na hope mtakuwa na sisi mjibamba.
Yani mjibambeza.
Is there something else have we left out?
So guys, hii hotel acha niwaambie iko na hadi they have a cool playground for kids where they can play. Like when you come here with your kids, you don't have to worry like what will your kids be doing when you're doing something else. So they have a cool playground.
Also vile tumeonesha they have tujaonesha bado.
Yeah.
They have a cool also cool garden.
Yeah.
And some place to chill out.
You can bring
relax,
your birthday
parties
on the ground.
Yeah.
Ama
photo shoot.
Yeah. They have cool places.
By the way, in our video, muendelee watch, you'll see all those things that we are mentioning here. So don't worry, you'll get a grip of them.
Yes, nice food. Yeah. What else?
Nice services.
Yeah, they also have nice services. Like you know, there's some hotel like ukifika, you can take 1 hour
without food.
Ama hata bila service. Like here, ukifika, the first thing like umerelax tu. Somebody is there na kuuliza
what do you want
unataka kula nini, like they have a good service, customer service. We can rate it 5
out of
5. Or we give it a 4 because they, people like you can't be perfect.
Also there is ample parking, nimeona.
Yeah, ample parking because you have a car and you are worried where will you leave your car. What else do they have?
I think nizo.
Yeah, lodge places you can sleep in case you are late.
Yeah. So guys, got my mention here, so you can have a place to rest in Kisumu. Don't worry, at utenda maybe
actually it's one of the best hotels in Kisumu. Yeah. So guys, keep it locked with us
as you see us enjoying and having fun.
Yeah, shall see you. guys, as you can see, they have a beautiful garden. There's some place there to rest. You can chillax there. Ample parking there. Here unaweza host a bash, wedding, reception.
Also, you can do some cool photos.
The V.I.P hotel. They have a well-organized washing hand area. Kuna places za kujibamba ka to swim hivyo. Pale unaona kuna kamini.
Can you show them the cottages there?
Wait. There kuna kamini what? Kamini restaurant or what?
Yeah.
Something like that. And you can see the way they have planted the grass, go clean, the pavement are clean. Yeah, it's a beautiful place to be.
Yeah,
some cottages there. Yeah, kama unataka kulala. Yeah.
Boligo atandele okozoga Nazabize konzera mokolo masue konzoga Gayawa atasango ya baba janiete mama Dotolizana choka dije kumotiete monokonya Sana choka tije kumotiete onokonya Idinia nebe mi posona kakosiepa Sipale na sugo Idinia nebe mi posona kakosiepa Sipale na sugo